Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job here in Wyoming, Ontario. I think the job turned out great. Showed the client, and basically, Brian, what do you think about the whole process with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal?
It was perfect, right? You know, like it was really easy. Guys came in, did a good job, really quick, efficient, got the job done. Looks great.
Perfect.
Looks like it's going to last another 30, 40 years, right?
Perfect.
Now, so.
Awesome. Brian, thank you so much. It was a pleasure. And it was a pleasure working with you.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay.